Hey, this is Top Red Sniper 19, and I'm doing an unboxing video. I have 2 packages. One is from Hockey Monkey. This one is from, and one is from Ice Warehouse. This is from Ice Warehouse, and this big one is from Hockey Monkey. I will be opening the big one, this one first. So here we go. So what I ordered was my hockey equipment. I ordered a helmet, shin pads, and a whole bunch of stuff that I needed for hockey. Okay, so this is just cardboard. These are my Bauer. Using my Bauer Vapor gloves. I got them in navy. 13 inches. Oh, these are nice. Oh, these are really nice, actually. Palms. Here. If I could show you this. See these black strips and palms? Really comfortable. These are nice. These are really nice, actually. Okay, so those are my gloves. These are my gloves. Bauer Vapor X20s. And I'll move on to, I got a neck guard. We needed a neck guard. The neck guard is required. Neck guard is required, and this is perfect. So this is a Bauer neck guard. I also got blue puck, which is slides good on this, so it'll probably be good for my skill pad. And I also got wax laces, waxed molded tip with laces. Very good laces, good laces. These are, do that last. These are my hockey pants. Bauer Vapor XVIs. I got junior mediums because I'm not that big. I'm not that big of a. I'm 14, I'm not that big. I'm just tall and really skinny. So those are my pants. See if I can close this thing. Alright, look at I got CCM U plus shin pads, 12 inches. Oh, these are nice. These are really nice. I got them in white. I should have got 13 inches. They're small. CCM, and I got Power Vapor X30 shoulder pads. And I also got a Reebok 6K Navy helmet. The vases. 6K helmet, silver inserts. This is nice. Padding, very good. Oh, this is really good padding. Okay. That's good. Good, that's good. Okay. And now I will show you guys what I got from Ice Warehouse. Oh, I forgot about these. And I also got wool hockey pants because I play wool hockey too. But on to what I got from Ice Warehouse. Open this. I got white tape and receipt paper. Okay, so I got Reebok Reebok 2K Reebok 2K elbow pads. So that's good. Nice and bendy. These are good. These are really good. Okay. So that is my hockey equipment. So that's my 2010-2011 hockey season equipment. So comment, rate, subscribe. Peace out.